In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Webull Desktop for options trading. So there's a bunch of different ways you can do this. I'm going to show you all of them. So the first thing you can do is you can go to the very top of your page, and here it says all layouts. You want to click on it. And then here, one of them is going to say options, okay? So basically just scroll down a bit, and here you have the options trader, and then you can click on this blue check mark next to it to actually allow it to appear here on the left-hand side. And when you do that, you can close this down, click on the options trader, and then there we go. This is basically your options trader, and you can go ahead and start trading options in here. So that's kind of the basic way of doing it. However, there's also different ways. You could go to the custom tab here on the left, and then in here you'll be able to see the options scanner, or if you scroll down, the options trader as well. You can click on that. It's going to pop up the options trader, which looks just a bit different to the one we've seen earlier. So if I switch over, as you can see here, it's just a bit different. So that's the second way of doing it. The third one is if you want to actually paper trade, you can go to paper trading over here, and then in here you will be able to see the options trading for paper trading. You can click on that, and it's going to pop up yet another one here, which is basically kind of a setup, a layout for options trading. Or if you want to customize it so your own, you can go to custom. You can click on the plus new layout up top, or you can close this one if you don't need it, and then you could go up and click on the blank layout, and you could go ahead and start. So here you can see you can put on different things. So for example, you can of course find different option things for option trading in here. So here, in case the widgets don't open up, you can just click on the add widgets button in the top right, and then you can open up like the option statistics over here. You can go to trade here, and then you have a bunch of different options in here as well. So of course you can put on these that are relevant to you. You could go to general here, you could go to market, and then you can pop up different things that actually are relevant when it comes to trading options. Okay, so there's a bunch of different things here, customized on your own if you want to, or use any of those layouts. So that's how to set it up. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.